Hey there, Kikook Tech followers. This is at OPA 333 bringing you some exciting news. TrollStore V2 0.9 is officially out. That's right. Our infamous jailbreak tool for iOS devices is back with even more features and capabilities. For those who aren't familiar, let me give you a quick rundown. TrollStore is a powerful tool that bypasses code signing and exploits to permanently sign any app with any necessary entitlements. It's a must-have for any iOS user looking to customize their device and bypass Apple's restrictions. Now, on to the latest update. With version 2, 0.9, we've added the ability for TrollStore itself to enable developer mode on iOS 16 devices. This means you can now have full control over your device, with access to root helpers, and the ability to install IPAs permanently. Talk about trolling Apple, right? But remember, installing TrollStore may vary depending on your device and iOS version. That's why we've attached guides in our description for different combinations. If your device is on iOS 13.7 or older, iOS 16.7, X, excluding 16.7 RC, 20H18, or iOS 17, 0.1 and newer, unfortunately, TrollStore won't be supported. However, A11 and earlier devices on iOS 15.0 to 15.5 Beta 4 and 15.6 Beta 1 to 15.6 Beta 5, as well as A12 and later devices on iOS 14.0 to June 1st, 15, are good to go. To install, simply open Safari and enter the appropriate URL, https://appy.jailbreaks.app/troll64e for A12 and later devices, and https://appy.jailbreaks.app/troll for A11 and earlier devices. Tap install, and voila! You now have Troll Helper OTA installed. And finally, for those of you who prefer using Masaka Package Manager, don't worry, we've got you covered. Just follow our previous guide in the description and you'll be able to install it smoothly. So what are you waiting for? It's time to join in on the trolling fun with TrollStore V2 0.9. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates from Kikook Tech. See you next time.